Lesson 13. Active and passive voice. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. She is drinking water. Water is being drunk by her. What do you observe in the above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. Voice is the active or passive status of the subject in agreement with the verb. If the subject is active, the verb is an active voice. See sentence 1. Here, she is the doer of the act drinking. So the verb drinking is said to be in active voice. If the subject is passive, the verb is in passive voice. See sentence 2. In this sentence, the water is affected by the act of drinking. The subject water is passive. So, the verb is being drunk is said to be in passive voice. Transitive and intransitive verbs. In the sentence 1, the verb drink takes the object water. The verb that takes an object is called a transitive verb. So, drink is a transitive verb. Only transitive verbs are expressed in passive voice, but not the intransitive verbs, as in the following, he went to school late. The verb went does not take any object in this sentence. It is an intransitive verb, so it cannot be expressed in passive voice. When the subject of the verb also performs the action named in the verb is said to be in the active voice. When the subject receives the action named in the verb is said to be in the passive voice. Changing of active voice to passive voice. To change the verb in a sentence from active voice to passive voice, we have to change the construction of the sentence. Example, Ram broke it. Active sentence. It was broken by Ram. Passive sentence. Let us study the changes we need to make. Subject, verb, preposition, object, active, Rohit, writes, a letter, passive, a letter, is written, by Rohit. Object of verb, a letter, in active voice becomes subject of verb in passive voice. Subject of verb in active voice, Rohit, becomes passive object, a preposition plus active subject. Preposition, by, was added before the passive object. The preposition and the object can be omitted in changing from active to passive voice if the passive subject is not known, important, or clear. Examples, someone requested Sonam to sing. Active, Sonam was requested to sing. Passive, the active subject someone is omitted. A suitable form of verb is used. We use auxiliary plus past participle of the verb. In this case, form of verb be is used plus past participle form of the verb right. To change a sentence from active voice to passive voice, we treat various parts of a sentence in different ways and keep in mind certain rules. Let us see how we consider the following. Long phrases. The subject or object may not consist of a single word. While changing a sentence from active to passive form, we shift the placement of the complete phrase, group of words making up the subject or object. Examples are the teacher called the students of class 7. Active. The students of class 7 were called by the teacher. Passive. B. The Minister of Industries offered a plan. Active. A plan was offered by the Minister of Industries. Passive. Personal pronouns. Pronouns have different forms when treated as subjects or objects. As in subject form, we have pronoun. The same in object form changes to me. We use he in subject form and him as an object form. We use she in subject form and her as object form. Active voice, passive voice. I teach English. English is taught by me. He draws pictures. Pictures are drawn by him. Richa accused her. She was accused by Richa. Ditransitive verbs. Some sentences have more than one object to the verb, direct and indirect object. Such verbs are called ditransitive verbs. When such sentences are changed from active to passive voice, they can be changed in two ways. Example, Komal gave them the flowers. Active, indirect, objective, them, direct, objective, the flower. We can change this to passive form in two ways. A. The flowers were given to them. B. They were given the flowers by Komal. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences can be in both active and passive forms. They can be interchanged, but they remain in interrogative form. Examples: A. Where have you kept the book? B. Does Saurav remember me? Where has the book been kept by you? Am I remembered by Saurav? Verbs followed by prepositions. Some verbs are followed by certain prepositions, such as consist of, comment on, depend on, care for, shout at, object to, etc. When such verbs are changed from active to passive voice, their prepositions are retained and they do not undergo any change. Examples: A. He commented on the new building. The new building was commented on by him. B. I do not object to his voting. His voting is not objected to by me. Sentences beginning with let. When sentences beginning with the word let are changed from active to passive voice, the placement of let remains the same. In active voice, the sentence uses let plus infinitive without to. In passive voice, it is changed to let plus be plus past participle form of the verb. Examples: A. Let me keep this purse. Let this purse be kept by me. B. Let them take these umbrellas. Let these umbrellas be taken by them. Modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries can, could, may, might, must, will, would, should, ought to, do not change when the sentences are changed from active to passive voice. Examples: A. I can tell the story. The story can be told by me. B. Deepak may visit Rohan. Rohan may be visited by Deepak. C. Must you count every penny? Must every penny be counted by you? Commands. To change command sentences from active to passive voice, we can change them in two ways. We can add the word let in the beginning or use modals like should or must. Examples: A. Leave the room. The room must should be left. Let the room be left. B. Take off the child's shoes. The child's shoes must should be taken off. Let the child's shoes be taken off. Verbs in different tenses. Simple present. Active. Root form of verb, sometimes with s or es. Passive. Is am a plus past participle form of the verb, I give toffee to my brother. The toffee is given to my brother by me. Mother cooks food for the family. Food is cooked for the family by mother. The teacher does not teach me. I am not taught by the teacher. Do you maintain the records? Are the records maintained by you? Simple past. Active, past tense of the verb. Passive. Was verb plus past participle form of the verb. I gave sweets to my sister. My sister was given sweets by me. Mother did not cook food for the family. Food was not cooked for the family by mother. The teacher taught me. I was taught by the teacher. Did you maintain the records? Were the records maintained by you? Simple future. Active, will shall plus root form of the verb. Passive. Will be shall be plus past participle form of the verb. I will give sweets to my sister. The sweets will be given to my sister by me. Mother will not cook food for the family. Food will not be cooked for the family by mother. The teacher will teach me. I shall be taught by the teacher. Will you maintain the records? Will the records be maintained by you? Present continuous. Active is am plus ing form of the verb. Passive is am plus being plus past participle form of the verb. I am giving toffees to my brother. Toffees are being given to my brother. Mother is not cooking food for the family. Food is not being cooked for the family by mother. The teacher is teaching me. I am being taught by the teacher. Are you maintaining the records? Are the records being maintained by you? Past continuous. Active was the plus ing form of the verb. Passive was the plus being plus past participle form of the verb. I was giving toffees to my brother. Toffees were being given to my brother by me. Mother was cooking food for the family. Food was being cooked for the family by mother. The teacher was not teaching me. I was not being taught by the teacher. Were you maintaining the records? Were the records being maintained by you? Future continuous. Verbs in the future continuous tense are usually not expressed in passive voice. Present perfect. Active. Has have plus past participle form of the verb. Passive. Has have plus been plus past participle form of the verb. I have given toffees to my brother. Toffees have been given to my brother by me. Mother has cooked food for the family. Food has been cooked for the family by mother. The teacher has not taught me. I have not been taught by the teacher. Have you maintained the records? Have the records been maintained by you? Past perfect. Active had plus past participle form of the verb. Passive had plus been plus past participle form of the verb. I had given toffees to my brother. Toffees had been given to my brother by me. Mother had cooked food for the family. Food had been cooked for the family by mother. The teacher had not taught me. I had not been taught by the teacher. Had you maintained the records? Had the records been maintained by you? Future perfect. Active will shall plus have plus past participle form of the verb. Passive will shall plus have been plus past participle form of the verb. I will have given toffees to my brother. My brother will have been given toffees by me. Mother will have cooked food for the family. Food will have been cooked for the family by mother. The teacher will not have taught me. I will not have been taught by the teacher. Will you have maintained the records? Will the records have been maintained by you? Perfect continuous tenses. Verbs in perfect continuous tenses cannot be expressed in the passive form.